Now the difference of sets. Now for any set A and B, the difference is A minus B. This is denoted as A minus B. This is the difference. And is defined as A minus B equals X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So basically what we have to do in difference is that when we find the difference, we write the set like elements of A, but we have to minus all those elements of A which are present in B. Now again, for the illustration of all, like the union of set, intersection of set, and the difference of set. Let's take an example. Now consider set A. Now I am just defining set A is a set like you can take as a factor of 6. So what will be A? A will be 1, 2, 3, 6. Factor of 6. You can take B as a factor of 8. So take this as 1, 2, 4, 8. Now, A union B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. A intersection B is what? 1 and 2. Now we have to write A minus B. A minus B. Now see 1, 2, 3, 6, but we have to minus the elements which are present in B. Basically we have to minus 1, 2, so 3, 6. Similarly, B minus A is what? B minus A, you have to write the elements of B, but you have to minus the elements of A, which is again 1, 2, is 4, 8. So this is B minus A. Now the complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and A is a set. Now complement is basically A dash. This is known as the complement of a set. Now this represents means you have to write those elements and you have to minus the element of set A. Means you have to write all the elements leaving the elements of set A. So that means if X belongs to A dash, this implies that X does not belongs to A. You can take U as a set. For example, let U be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let A be 1, 3, 5. Then A dash will represent, you have to minus 1, 3 and 5. So 2, 4, 6 will be A dash. Now here are the results on complementation. Now if you know that, like if A is the subset, proper subset of the universal set. Now actually these law you should memorize them also. Now the first point will be if you take U dash. Now if you take U dash, what is this U dash? U dash is a universal set. Now dash U is a universal set. Dash means, or complement means, we are removing all the elements. So what we will get? We will get phi, which is an empty set. Point number 2. What is phi dash? Phi dash is basically, or phi complement basically, you are removing nothing. So when you are removing nothing, you will get the universal set. Third point. Now, if A is a set, you take the complement. You do the complement and then again complement, so that will give you actually A only. Fourth point, A union A dash will be the universal set only. And fifth is A intersection A dash, that will be phi. So these are the laws, you should memorize them. Then there are more laws on operation of set. Now if you take A, B, C as a set, which is actually the subset of universal set, though universal set is, as you know, it contains every set. So the first is the law of union of set. Among this, it's the subpart. First point is, if you write A union B, that is equals to B union A. This is also known as commutative law. Commutative law. Second point. Second point is A union B union C. This will be A union B union C. This is an associative law. Third point. Now if you write A union A, it's obvious. That is A. Fourth point. A union phi is same as phi union A, which in turn is same as A. A union phi will be A only. Now fifth, which is A union universal set. As you know, A union universal set will be A, or which is same as universal set union A. Now the second point is law of intersection of set. First point is, if A intersection B will be same as B intersection A. This is again same as commutative law. Second point, if A intersection B intersection C, this is same as A intersection B intersection C. Again, this is associative law. Third point, if we take A intersection A, that will be A only. Fourth point, if like A intersection phi is same as phi intersection A, which is same as phi. Similarly, A intersection universal set equals to universal set intersection A, that will be A. Distributive law, actually laws. There are two distributive laws. One states that if A union B intersection C, now A union B intersection C, this is actually equals to A union B then intersection A union C. A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Second point is A intersection B union C. This will be A intersection B union A, sorry, this is union, by mistake I wrote this as universal set. This is union A intersection C. The fourth is De Morgan's law. Now first is, if you take A union B whole complement, whole dash. So this is A dash intersection B dash. You just reverse it and put dash. Second one, if it's A intersection B whole dash, this is equals to A dash union B dash. Put inside brackets. So these are the laws which you have to memorize